Hello, I'm visiting with Dr. Jadine Anderson. Can a person with asthma benefit from chiropractic adjustment?
Yes, chiropractic adjustments can help people that suffer from asthma. In some cases, just an adjustment to a mid-back usually helps resolve some of the problems. In fact, my fiance, who for many years suffered from asthma to the point where she was on large amounts of medication, inhalers, it was very hard for her to play sports. She always had to have the inhaler with her at all sporting events to help her be able to cope with the asthma problems. After she started receiving chiropractic adjustments, she now needs no medications or inhaler, and she
That's wonderful.
has no side effects from asthma anymore.
Does she have to continue regular adjustments in order to maintain that state?
Yes, continuing adjustments seem to help her be able to keep any side effects of the asthma at bay. So continued care with her helps greatly.